Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. One of the common questions normally people have is how much can I make? Or what is the return on investment if I join a plan? Well, that pretty much depends on several factors. Being one of them, your account size, when are you going to start, the plan, and so on. So in order to answer to the question with material facts, you find in one of our free courses an extensive study providing reference with regards to how much it is expected as a return on investment, precisely depending on your account size. So what we do is to pick up examples as you have it here live on Twitter as of today, March 22, 2019, examples of accounts, customer accounts from brokerage accounts. Therefore, I'm referring to real accounts. As you can see, unlike scammers on the web who don't have anything else to show you, you have here an example of an individual, a subscriber to the most popular plan, AI Perelman, where he has average profit, monthly profit, $500,000, taken within the past 8 months as a subscriber to the service, and where, for example, today he made 25,000 US dollars. This is the screenshot from today, okay, where you have obviously here the profits. In fact, the profits are higher than this, since as you can see there is realized profits. So this is the open profit for the day. Anyway, this also to show you that on Twitter you find historical calls in the markets that no one else can make with 100% accuracy, including here in this company, famous, the case of Boeing, where we downgraded shares of Boeing to strong sell at a price of $441, dumping entirely the long position, reverse into the short side. It was my own idea. And by doing this, today Boeing is a stock trading at $360. The company lost more than $50 billion market cap. We are talking about multi-billion-dollar profit in these market calls that they were made available to subscribers, to professionals. Moreover, on the Twitter channel, on the blog of the company, you find more than 100 examples of real accounts, again from people just like you, demonstrating consistency in results, which in the end it is the most important, and examples of people paying for the service with 1 year service, paying within 3 hours of trading. Okay, so 3 hours of trading, for many people it is sufficient to pay for 1 year of service. Moreover, then you have also interviews with very small investors, including investors without any experience whatsoever in the markets, within demonstrating and telling you within the first week making 800% return on investment comparing to the price that they paid for the service, and millions of dollars as long-term customers here. And with this I terminate by referring to that although for you the profit might be the most important, you are disregarding in that case one of the most important components of the service, which is the educational component, since we teach people how to invest in the markets, how to trade in the markets, not only stocks, ETFs, forex markets, to do it and to learn how to do it by themselves. So many of these users, before they joined, they were used to lose money in the markets. Today, March 22, yesterday, I posted here an example of a profit in the markets in a company that reported earnings, the case of Micron, as well as it also happened in NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices, $100 million proven brokerage accounts. You also have it in the free course. Thank you.